everybody, it's Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. Hope you're all having a good day. No tutorial today. I am, though, however, going to announce a winner. As you know, I have a Patreon account, and every month or every 5 or 6 weeks I make a tutorial, just a small little tutorial over on Patreon, and that month's tutorial for the next month I will give that tutorial project away. That's when you see coming up at the end of my video, project of the month. You have a chance to win it. I give away my Patreon, my patrons, my loyal patrons, tutorials. However, a while ago I had made something and I said, in general, my general YouTube family here has an opportunity to win my little embroidery hoop holder. Remember, I made this. Now, whoever gets this, and I'm going to announce you in a minute, don't judge because it's not perfect. It's perfect to me, but that you can maybe put a little bow on the top and embellish it or whatever. Again, I did the full tutorial on how to make this. I do believe quite a few people actually attempted to make one. They had gotten their hoops out. Again, I was thinking, a lot of people were saying they had older hoops, which I think are much better. This one was a newer one and it sort of broke, but I put tons of hot glue in there. So I do have a winner, and the winner of this one from my general population in my YouTube who follow me and who commented will be winging this way if you want it. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce your name, and I'm sorry. It's either one of two ways. Josie Lynn or Jocelyn McAloon. Josie Lynn McAloon or Jocelyn McAloon. You know who you are, and you have won if you want my little holder here. Sweet little holder. I've reinforced it, not for heavy duty, you can't put your sewing machine in it, but your rulers and your markers and your and some patterns in here. I hope you love it. Oh, and I actually got a pizza box. Oh, I did take the pizza out of it. It had a little, well, no, it had a little bit of grease, but I'm gonna cover it and everything. Don't worry, you're not gonna get grease. But I'm thinking, oh, how can I ship this if you want it? Jocelyn or Josie Lynn, and a pizza box. Isn't that something else? So if you think you're getting a pizza, you're not. You're getting an embroidery hoop notions holder. So anyway, that's that. Josie Lynn or Jocelyn, you have won. Ding, ding, ding. All of you have been so kind. I have over 38,000 subscribers, and every single one of you, I wish I could make something for you in my sewing room, because you're also very, very kind to me and our family. So, but I have done this tutorial. If you love that, you can make one yourself, get a nice embroidery hoop and some pretty fabric. And again, Josie Lynn or Jocelyn McAloon, I think that's how I would say it. I would say just Josie Lynn McAloon. Tell me if I'm right. All right, I'll get in touch, or you have to, oh, actually, I will get in touch with you, or no, how is that going to work? If you see this video, you have to get in touch with me. Anyway, I'll put that in the descriptions. So, I hope you love it, and yeah, this is yours if you want it in your pizza box to come. All right. Thanks again, everybody, and love from the Trueloves. See ya.